Hello, today I would like to introduce you few of the higher overtones above the third octave above the fundamental note. So to sing higher overtones, it's recommended that you start with a low fundamental note so that you have more abilities to sing higher overtones because of the resonance chambers in our vocal tract. So it's better, definitely, to sing lower for the higher overtones. I start here with the harmonic number 8, which is 8 times so fast than the fundamental frequency. And I go up to the 4th octave above the fundamental, which is harmonic number 16. So if, in case the fundamental frequency is 100 Hertz, then this would be 1600 Hertz. So I give my best to present it to you. I hope it works. So this part is quite usual for overtone singers, and I now switch the sound here, okay, to go higher. I start now from the H number 12. It's not so clean like I wished, but I try my best again. I start a little bit lower now, perhaps it works. And you realized the lower fundamental is improving the higher overtones. Thank you very much.